Green Sweater Limited, operating in the export-oriented sweater industry from Bangladesh, started business back in the year of 2015. It is located in Ghazipur, near National University at Uttar Khailkot. Green Sweater has developed this eco-friendly project, strictly applying the gold category requirements of leadership in energy and environmental design LEED, which are officially prescribed by the US Green Building Council. It has about 150,000 square feet of constructed area to accommodate all the production setups. The factory premise is having about 25,000 square feet of open space, abiding by the requirements to be green. This green project is ideally poised with adequate open space for fresh air, pond, rainwater storage and use, and wastewater managing, as well as recycling and reusing, reduction of carbon emission, use of efficient and renewable energy, and use of heat-resistant as well as carbon emission-free building materials are a few of the major features of this green project. Use of daylight, energy-efficient light bulbs and machinery, recovered waste, heat-driven absorption chiller, the factory building, which will not rise beyond 6th floor ever, does have all measures and features to ensure safety, security, and good working environment for the people working in it. Rooftop gardens add to its pleasant and healthy ambience. Not the least, its workers live at nearby places and so approach the factory on foot. Green Sweater Limited, currently employing about 1,000 people who are skilled and are capable of producing approximately 200,000 pieces of superb class sweaters and pullovers per month. Green Sweater is fully compliant in terms of social, environmental, ethical, as well as eco-sustainable parameters. Currently, it is BSCI and SEDEX certified to qualify for the international markets. Its workers work here in the most pleasant environment, conforming to all mandatory and many voluntary local as well as international requirements concerning workplace safety, labor welfare and environment. Green Sweater is more than compliant. With fire door, auto pump and fire hydrant, automatic and centralized addressable fire detection and protection, suppression, smoke and noise detection system, bus bar, etc., entire of the premises and activities are monitored through CCTV surveillance. Green Sweater uses coal burn boiler plant. It has a generator-based full power backup system to cater to its own requirements. However, product design and development department is one of the major features of Green Sweater Limited. Specialized merchandising unit, another success linchpin of Green Sweater, sources the correct yarn and trims to help develop the samples. Producing presentation samples efficiently and pre-production preparations solidify its smoothest headway into operation to ensure total quality and speed. Here, most efficient people are working to produce premium quality sweaters and pullovers. On the production floors, it has got 350 Jacquard machines of world-class brand. Its linking machines are of world best technology. These are energy efficient as well. It produces sweaters, cardigans and pullovers using all types of yarns from sources stipulated by the customers. Green Sweater is capable of washing about 340,000 pieces per month. Green Sweater provides excellent facilities for in-house inspection by its buyers. product range includes lines for all the age and gender groups in both fashion and casual categories. Green Sweater Limited exports to the markets in Germany, Italy, Canada, the Netherlands, Japan, Korea, Hong Kong, Russia, and Brazil. Its clientele includes valued buyers like Hanis, Jacob, GIT, Canvelo, Oi, Venner, Fashionlink, Tentex, SunCloud, and Toyoshiyama, etc. Green Sweater has projected to export sweaters and pullovers worth nearly 15 million in 2019. Yes, Green Sweater Limited promises a better tomorrow of all, by all, and for all. It is a sincere, green and clean model of manufacturing for the 21st century.